Welcome to the new episode of Tech Insiders. Google Pixel 8 Pro Real Photos and Specifications. One of the Reddit users posted photos of the yet-to-be-announced flagship smartphone Google Pixel 8 Pro. In addition, information about the battery and the charging capacity of the future novelty appeared on the network. The smartphone shown in fast boot mode. Judging by the data displayed on the screen, phone received 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 128 GB SK Hynix UFS drive. According to the Price Baba portal, the smartphone is built on the Tensor G3 processor. According to insiders, the battery capacity of Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be 4,485 mAh and 4,950 mAh respectively. Both devices will support 27-watt fast charging, but the power of the wireless coil in the Pro version will be slightly higher, 23 watts versus 20 watts in the base model. Also, smartphones are credited with Wi-Fi 7 and UWB modules. According to previous publications, Google Pixel 8 will receive a 6.17-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, brightness up to 1400 nits, and a density of 427 ppi. The characteristics of the cameras are also known. It's a Samsung GN2 at 50 megapixels with optical stabilization on the main camera, and Sony IMX 787 at 64 megapixels on an ultra-wide sensor. Pixel 8 Pro, according to rumors, will be equipped with a 6.7-inch OLED panel at 1344 x 2992 pixels, a frequency of 120 Hz, and a brightness of up to 1600 nits. The main camera and the ultra-wide module will be the same as the base model, but a 50-megapixel Samsung GM5 telephoto lens will be added to Pro version. The date of the announcement and the price of smartphones have not yet been announced. Apple will enhance iPhone 15 battery. Insiders citing sources at Foxconn spread information about the battery capacity of all versions of iPhone 15. According to the report, Apple's flagship line is waiting for a noticeable upgrade compared to the current devices. According to online sources, the most noticeable change is waiting for the basic iPhone 15, whose battery will have 18% more capacity than its predecessor. The final figures, according to insiders, will be as follows. iPhone 15 will have a battery of 3,877 mAh, instead of 3,279 mAh for iPhone 14. iPhone 15 Plus will have 4,912 mAh, instead of 4,325 for iPhone 14 Plus. iPhone 15 Pro will have 3,650 mAh instead of 3,200 mAh for iPhone 14 Pro, and 4,852 mAh for iPhone 15 Pro Max instead of 4,323 mAh for iPhone 14 Pro Max. In addition to the battery capacity, the autonomy of the Pro versions of the smartphone is expected to improve due to the energy-efficient 3nm Apple A17 Bionic processor, which will be installed only in the Pro model.